Hi, welcome you all to the next session of macroeconomics. In this session, we will be dealing with acceleration principle. As you know, in previous session we completed with what is the investment multiplier, what is the consumption function, what is investment function, what are the limitation, what is marginal propensity to consume, what is average propensity to consume, what is average propensity to save, what is marginal propensity to save. ये सब एस्पेक्ट्स हमने कवर अप किए हैं. नाउ वी विल बी मूविंग फर्दर with the next important topic of your chapter, that is acceleration principle. Clear to it? Chalo, let's move further to it. Okay, the multiplier and the accelerator are parallel components. Multiplier और accelerator जो है ये parallel concepts है. The multiplier shows the effect of investment on income through consumption. The acceleration shows the effect of change in consumption on investment. देखो, इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्सेलरेटर जो है ये मल्टीप्लायर के ऑपोजिट में होता है. ठीक है, इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर क्या है? शोज़ द इफ़ेक्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. ये इन्वेस्टमेंट का इफ़ेक्ट कंजम्पशन पर दिखाता है. ठीक है, एंड एक्सेलरेशन प्रिंसिपल क्या करता है? इफ़ेक्ट ऑफ चेंज इन कंजम्पशन ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. कंजम्पशन की वजह से इन्वेस्टमेंट पर क्या इफ़ेक्ट होता है वो हम एक्सेलरेशन प्रिंसिपल पे पढ़ेंगे. और इन्वेस्टमेंट इनकम के चेंज इन द इनकम, इफेक्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन इनकम थ्रू कंजम्पशन, मतलब कि क्या है? चेंज इन कंजम्पशन ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, ये है मल्टीप्लायर. एंड चेंज, हाँ, इज कॉल्ड ओके. और कंजम्पशन इज डिपेंड अपॉन. ओके, समझ में आया क्या है कंजम्पशन इन्वेस्टमेंट फंक्शन. मल्टीप्लायर क्या है? इट शोज द इफेक्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन इनकम थ्रू कंजम्पशन. इफेक्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन इनकम थ्रू कंजम्पशन. एंड मल्टीप्लायर क्या है? इफेक्ट ऑफ चेंज इन कंजम्पशन ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. उल्टा है, कंजम्पशन का इफेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट पर इज इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर acceleration principle, whereas investment multiplier is effect of investment on income through consumption. ठीक है, in case of multiplier consumption is dependent upon investment, whereas in case of acceleration investment is dependent upon consumption. मल्टीप्लायर के एस्पेक्ट में क्या है? डिपेंड, कंजम्पशन डिपेंड करता है इन्वेस्टमेंट पर. और सेकेंड एक्सेलरेशन पे क्या है? इन्वेस्टमेंट डिपेंड करता है कंजम्पशन पर, वाइस वर्सा. T.N. Carver was the earliest economist who recognized the relationship between the change in the consumption and the net investment in 1903. In 1909, Aflatun analyzed the principle in detail. The term acceleration principle was first introduced by J.M. Clark in 1977. It was further developed by Hacks, Samuelson, and Howard in relation to the business cycle. The principle of acceleration states that a given increase in the demand for consumer goods leads to an accelerated demand for capital goods. The demand for consumption goods rises. There will be a rise in the demand for the capital goods. Says machine which is used, say machines which is used to produce goods. In other words, the acceleration measures the change in the investment good as a result of change in the consumer good. There is a positive association between capital goods and consumer goods. When consumption increases, investment will increase by multiplier amount. डेफिनेशन, एक्सेलरेशन प्रिंसिपल का डेफिनेशन क्या है? द एक्सेलरेशन कोएफिशिएंट इज द रेशो बिटवीन इंड्यूस्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड इनिशियल चेंज इन कंजम्पशन. दिस इज स्टेटेड बाय के कुरिहारा and P.M. Samuelson says acceleration is as defined the ratio of change in investment to the change in the consumption demanded. J.R. Hacks, acceleration is the ratio of change in investment to the change in the level of output. The acceleration is a numerical value of the relation between increase in investment resulting from an increase in income. Symbolically, acceleration is equal to change in income divided by change in consumption, whereas multiplier क्या था? Change in income divided by change in investment. Next, where A is the acceleration, triangle I is the change in the investment outlay, triangle C is the change in the level of consumption demand. Acceleration coefficient, that is A is equal to triangle I divided by triangle C, where A is the acceleration coefficient, triangle I is the net change in the investment outlay, triangle C is the net change in the consumption demanded. Clear to it? Okay. Next one is example. Suppose change in expenditure on consumption, that is change in consumption, is equal to rupees 10 crore and change in investment outlet is 40 crores. Then acceleration coefficient is 40 divided by 10, that is 4. It implies that rupees 1 increase in demand for consumption goods leads to 4 increase in demand for investment outlay. क्या बताया है? अगर रुपीज़ 1 इंक्रीज़ होता है कंजम्पशन में तो डिमांड में जो है आउटलेट में वो 4 टाइम्स इंक्रीज़ होता है. दस द प्रिंसिपल एक्सेलरेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन द फैक्ट दैट द डिमांड फॉर कैपिटल गुड इज डिराइव फ्रॉम द डिमांड फॉर कंजम्पशन गुड्स. The acceleration principle explains the process by which a change in the demand for consumption goods lead to the change in the investment in capital goods. Clear to it? Okay. Now, function of acceleration principle. How does acceleration principle functions? Suppose the existing demand for the consumer good in the economy is 100 units per day. The capital output ratio is 1:10. That is 100 units of capital goods are required to maintain a constant flow of 1000 units of consumption goods. If each of the capital good having a lifespan of 10 years, so 100 units of capital goods will wear out in 100 years. Therefore, we need 100 machines every year by the way of replacement, so that 100 machines are kept intact at the end of the 10th year. The demand for 10 machines every year is known as replacement demand. In this situation, the acceleration coefficient is 1. Now, suppose that the demand to consumer good increases by 10% next year. This means that the demand for consumer goods will increase from 10,000 units to 1100 units. To produce this additional 100 units of consumer good, we require additional 10 units of capital goods or machines, as we have assumed the capital output ratio 1:10. This is of course in addition to 100 units of capital goods which are required every year for replacement purpose. Thus, the total demand for new capital goods will be 10 units of capital goods for replacement, 10 units of capital good to satisfy the increased demand increased demand for consumer goods. ठीक है. Then here only 10% of increased demand for consumer goods leads to 100% increase in demand for capital goods. Here the acceleration coefficient will be 10. It means when demand for consumer good increases by 10%, the demand for capital good increases by 100%. Clear to it? Okay. Next one. The process of change in investment does not work in forward direction only. It is quite possible that it may work in reverse direction too. When there is a fall in the demand for consumer goods to the extent of 10%, we need 90 machines to produce 900 goods. there is 100% fall in investment. It can be seen that from above table that a small increase in consumption demand leads to a huge increase in the demand for capital goods. Acceleration is usually more than zero, where goods deals of capital equipment is needed per unit of output. Acceleration coefficient is positive and more than unitary. Clear to it? Okay, thank you all. Please go through the video. I have completed this session very quick because there was not much to explain, but remember acceleration principle पे short note आता है. Just explain the concept, write the short note, write the symbolical formula in an arithmetic way. Enough. Clear to it? Okay, thank you all. Please go through the video. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home. Be safe.